up, Mia. Wake up right now. What is it, Leo? I am very sleepy. Shh. Be quiet, Mia. Do not make a loud sound. Why? Are we playing a fun game today? No, we are not playing a game today. Then why are we waking up so early? Look at the big clock on the wall. Oh, I see the clock. It is Sunday morning. Yes, it is Sunday. I love Sunday mornings. I love Sundays too. We can play all day. But look, Mom and Dad are still sleeping. Yes. They are so tired, working all week. Yes, they work so hard for us. We are going to make a secret breakfast. A secret breakfast? What is a secret breakfast, Leo? It is a big surprise for Mom and Dad. Oh, I really love surprises. What are we making? We will make yummy sandwiches and warm milk. That sounds very delicious. I am very hungry now. Delicious, delicious! Yay! Follow me to the kitchen. Walk very, very slowly. Okay, Leo. I'm quiet like a ninja.
Good job, Mia. Please do not wake them up.
I'm cold, Leo. Do not worry, Mia. I will hold your hand. Thank you, Leo. You are a very good brother. Here is the kitchen. We are finally here. It is too dark in here. I cannot see. I will turn on the small kitchen light. Click! Wow, the kitchen is very bright now. First, we need to open the big white fridge. I can help you open the big fridge door. Open the fridge! Hurry, Leo! Thank you, Mia. Look at all the food inside. Wow, there is so much healthy food in here. Wow. What do we need for our yummy sandwiches? Oh, we need some fresh bread and some eggs. That is correct. Can you find the fresh eggs? Let me look. Yes, I see the eggs right here. Be very careful, Mia. Eggs can break very easily. I am holding the eggs very carefully in my hands. I know, Leo. I'm being super careful. Good. Now I need to find the fresh milk. The milk is on the top shelf, Leo. Oh no, the milk bottle is too high for me. What do we do now? I will get a small wooden chair to stand on. Be very careful, Leo. Please do not fall down. I am stepping on the chair. I am very tall now. Yay! You can reach the fresh milk now. I have the milk bottle. It is very heavy. I am stepping back. You can climb down now. I am stepping down carefully. I am safe. We have the bread, the eggs, and the milk. Now we need to mix the eggs in a big bowl. Can I mix the eggs, please? I want to help. Okay, here you go. Yay! Yes, you can mix the eggs. Here is a yellow bowl. And I need a small fork to mix them. Here is a small fork for you, Mia. I am mixing the eggs. Mix, mix, mix. You are doing a really great job, Mia. Wait, Mia. That milk bottle is too heavy for you. I can do it, Leo. I am very strong today. Oh, no. The milk. It is everywhere on the table. I am so sorry, Leo. The bottle is too heavy. It's okay, Mia. It's just milk. We need to crack the eggs into the pan now. Can I crack one egg? Please, let me try it. Okay, but be very gentle. Just tap it very lightly. I am tapping the egg. Oh, it slipped from me. Oh, no. Look at that. This is a very big mess. The kitchen is dirty. The frying pan is very big and very heavy, Leo. I am holding it tight. Oh no, it is slipping! Crash! That was a very loud sound. I am scared.
Leo? Mia? Why are you in the kitchen so early?
Mom, Dad, you are awake.
We are very sorry today.
We wanted to make a secret breakfast for you both. There is milk on the table and eggs on the floor.
Oh, Mia, I see that. It's all right, we can clean it up together.
We wanted to give you a big Sunday morning surprise.
Oh, you two are very sweet and very kind kids.
We are not angry at all. We love your surprise. We are very sorry for making this big, dirty mess.
I will help Dad clean the broken egg over there.
And I will wash the heavy frying pan right now.
Oh.
The kitchen is completely clean again.
Great job, my team!
But we do not have a secret breakfast anymore today.
That is okay. We can make breakfast together right now.
Yay! Cooking together is a very fun game for us.
I will cook the eggs. Mom will make the toast. I will pour the warm milk. I will be careful. The breakfast is finally ready. It smells very delicious today.
Let us sit down and eat our family Sunday breakfast.
This is the best Sunday morning breakfast ever. I love it. What do you eat for breakfast? Tell us down below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.